Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Amanda Dame. She's Family and Consumer Sciences Agent in Hopkins County. Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning, Kristi. How's it going this morning?
It's going good, and I'm so excited to have you on the show this morning. And today you are going to highlight a wonderful resource that we have available through Extension. Amanda, what is this wonderful resource?
Yeah, so today I'm going to be highlighting the food and nutrition calendar. So as you can see, it has great recipes every single month. But this is a great resource because it provides nutritious recipes that you can use at home that are easy. And today's recipe actually has a lot of ingredients that you probably already have at home.
All right, Amanda, what are you making for us today?
Right, so today we're going to be making the chicken Caesar pasta. Really a salad. So surprisingly, there's pasta in the salad. So
okay, so what do we need to start with?
Yeah, so as you can see, I've started boiling my pasta. But so we're going to actually do two separate things today. We're going to be making our salad, and we're actually going to be making the Caesar dressing to go on. Will be homemade, so that's always
okay. Anytime you make something homemade, that always makes you feel good.
Yes, it does. And so to start off with, I have the ingredients for the actual salad, which are whole wheat pasta, which is a box, which is boiling right now. And then it calls for a tablespoon of oil and 2 chicken breasts. So the oil is to cook the chicken breast in. Getting a little boil over here. Good, it means it's cooking. So you can see I've already cooked my 2 chicken breasts, and I've cut them into chunks. And so you can cut them into strips or just kind of whatever you prefer at home. And then I have a cup of croutons and a cup of Parmesan cheese. So the salad is really super easy to make. You just mix in your cup of croutons and your chicken. And this is like a great recipe because you can make your salad and then store it in the refrigerator, make your dressing separately, and you can actually like take it to lunch, kind of like a meal prep, or have it ready for your family like on the weekends. It's just a great quick recipe that you can go ahead and prep.
We're getting so many flavors. Caesar salad and Caesar dressing is known for so much flavor. So this is really exciting.
Yeah, and chicken is one of those lean meats, so it's a great way to add in some nutrition that way as well. So I'm going to drain my pasta. So as you can see, I'm just mixing in the pasta with my chicken, lettuce, and cheese.
Wonderful. All right, Amanda. So what's in our dressing?
The garlic and pepper. We're going to mix that, the Worcestershire sauce, and our lemon juice. You can use fresh lemons if you want to, or you can always buy just lemon juice if you have it in your refrigerator, or buy it to keep it for later. Just the refrigerator kind. Our Dijon Mustard, which I love. I think that really gives it a great taste. So I'm just going to whisk all those ingredients together just a little bit. Then I'm going to add in our olive oil. And again, that was 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm sure you can see, like I said, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Yeah, so mix that together. And then lastly, all you're going to do is add in your mayonnaise. And if you actually purchase this recipe, the cost per recipe is around $6. And, so that could vary. If you have a lot of these ingredients already in your pantry, it could be less. Or, if you need to restock your pantry, it may cost a little bit more upfront. But of course, in the long run, it would be cheaper.
Now, Amanda, if someone wants to get their hands on a food and nutrition calendar, how can they do that?
They can actually visit our local extension office, and they will have copies of the calendar there.
Amanda, thank you so much for being with us today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.